Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. Student, now I am going to start a new topic, water pollution. You know student, what is the pollution? Pollution means anything who disturb the constituent of the atmosphere. Clear? Means you know our atmosphere, our earth, air, water, all of the atmosphere. And the living being survive in the water, in air or earth. So anything who disturb the composition, means suppose that we need oxygen, plant need carbon dioxide. So if by any reason, if such thing disturb, their percentage disturb is known as the pollution. There are many pollution like thermal pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. Okay. So one point is the water pollution. So see student, the physical, chemical and biological condition of water that make it harmful for plant, animal, human beings or the environment is called the water pollution. The things who disturb the composition of the atmosphere is known as the pollutants. Okay. So you can see. So what is the causes of water pollution? There are many causes. So first one is the domestic sewage. You know student, what is the domestic sewage? Means the things what we discharge, our urine, our feces, okay, what we use the waste material when after the washing the utensils, what we use in the bathroom or the kitchen, such thing we discharge into the sewage. Clear? So student, what we discharge, our urine, our feces, it contain microorganisms, and when such microorganisms enter into the sewage, and from sewage it enter into the rivers. Got it? So if it enter into the river, then such microorganisms create many types of diseases like diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, jaundice and typhoid. These are the waterborne diseases. Means by any reason, if such thing enter in our bodies, it create such type of diseases. Okay? This is known as the domestic sewage. Second student, see, industrial wastes. You know student, what is industries? We have the many industries, many factories where we make the different material. So student, what is the very important part in the industries? Many industries, they take the water to clean the material, to remove the impurities from the material. So such thing, what they use the fresh water, but after the uses, it contains some chemicals. So such chemicals is very toxic, and if it enter in the water, it create the problem. Okay, so for cleaning the utensils, for cleaning the chemical, for removing the impurities, so that it enter into the river. So such thing is very dangerous. Next one is the like insecticide and pesticide. See student, third one is the insecticide and the pesticide. You know student, in the agriculture field, we grow many crops. So for the protection of crops, we use many type of chemicals, because you know many insect, many fungus. Okay, if we not use such chemical, then such insect they destroy the crops. That's why we use the many chemicals. So student, insecticide, such insecticide kill the insect. Okay. Similarly, like a pesticide, fungicide, they are different chemicals. Okay student. So when we grow any crops, then we use such chemical. We spray the such chemical on the crops. Why? For the protection of crop. Otherwise, see student, when we purchase any fruits or vegetable, you see, sometime inside the fruit or inside the vegetables, we get some damaged material. Why? Because such insect enter into the food. Fruits and vegetables, we use such type of insecticide. This is the best use. Such thing during the rainy season, such things washed by the rain. Clear? So rain water enter into the river, and from river it enter into the ocean. So the animals who aquatic life, plant or animal who survive in the rivers, it will die. Or when it in the sea, it also the aquatic life become dies. So the very harmful for plant and animal. Okay. Next one, see student, fourth one, is the oil spills. You know what is oil spills? Should you know nowadays about the 65% of the goods transport from the seaways. Okay, na waterways, because is the very cheapest, and second thing, in the one time we carry many goods from one place to the another place. Clear? So student, all the oils, you know oils, crude oil, petrol, diesel, kerosene, such crude oil, it transfer from one place to another place by the seaways. Clear? So sometime when two tanker strike together, some oil also came the outside. So by any accident, if such a tanker damaged, then such oil is spread over the ocean water. Clear? So in the particular area where the such water coated by the petrol or diesel, on particular areas the insect, the aquatic life, plant and animal become die. Clear? So student, is the very dangerous for the aquatic life. Next one, student, see acid rain. You know student, acid rain? Acid rain mean when the acid who mix up in the atmosphere and come on the earth in the form of rain is known as the acid rain. Clear? So question, how such acid mix up in the atmosphere? So listen student, we use diesel, petrol, coal. Clear na? So such coal, petrol, diesel, it release many toxic gases. See, like see sulfur. Such sulfur present in the coal. So when such sulfur burned, it forms sulfur dioxide. Clear? Similarly, such sulfur dioxide again react with the oxygen, form sulfur trioxide. Clear? So such sulfur dioxide, it dissolve in the water vapor. You know student, water vapor who present in the atmosphere. Clear? So when such sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, it mix up in the water vapor, it form the acid. Like, see, sulfurous acid, sulfuric acid. See, similarly, nitrogen. When nitrogen react with the oxygen, form the nitrogen dioxide. After that, again, such nitrogen dioxide react with the water, it forms nitric acid. Clear? So student, such acid they mix up in the water vapor. Clear? And after that, when rain came on earth in the form of water, it also fall on earth. It is a very dangerous, and their result, many our building, our movements, aquatic life, grass, plant, it become damaged by the acid. Clear? And it decrease the quality of the soil. Next one, dumping of garbage into water bodies. Session. The dumping of garbage such as paper waste, food waste, polythene bags, metallic can, etc. into water bodies causes water pollution. Session, water bodies. What we throw? What we use the polythene bag, understand? PVC, polyvinyl chloride, the very dangerous and very harmful material, and it are the not decomposed by the microorganisms. Clear? So such things when you throw outside, so such thing it become mixed up in the water. So maybe the aquatic life, if such animal, if eat such material, it will die. So many things we use the waste paper, can, metals, many chemicals. So such things also dangerous for the aquatic life is known as the water pollution. Clear? Next one, see thermal pollution. You know thermal pollution? Student, we know we use in many industries and factory and for the making the product. So such water we use the fresh water. But after that, such water, when it heated, it transfer into the water bodies. See student, when we make any thermal power plant, you understand? In the thermal power plant, it used the huge amount of water. Why? So student, because such thing, suppose that this is the thermal power plant, such plant it is situated near any river bodies or sea bodies. Clear? So they take directly water from the ocean, river or water bodies for the present. And after that, such water it heated by the fuel. Clear? So in the form of fuel we use the diesel, petrol, coal for heating the water vapor. Such water vapor pass into the other bodies who contain turbine. Clear? So such turbine, when such water vapor enter into the other chamber, it forcefully pass on the turbine and the result the turbine rotate. Clear? After that, when such turbine rotate, then it produces the electricity. Such electricity will transfer to the power station. Clear? But after that, water vapor will strike on the turbine, it change the liquid form, and such thing it again enter into the water bodies. Clear? So see, is the water bodies is the chamber where we collect the water. After that, when we heat the water, it change the vapor form. In the form of fuel we use petrol, diesel, kerosene, and after that such water vapor pass on the turbine. Clear? Such turbine rotate, and after that it produces the electricity. Such electricity we transfer to the power plant. But the water vapor who pass on the turbine, it change the water vapor into the liquid form, and after that such liquid we send into the river. Okay. So during such process, the temperature of the water bodies increases. Clear? So when temperature increases, then the aquatic life like frogs, animals, plant, they not able to absorb such temperature and they become die. Clear? So if we use the hot water in the water bodies, the first things they reduce oxygen, and the result in the lack of oxygen, the animal died. Clear? And after that, the organic material, it also not decomposed by the microorganisms because their capacity are very less. If we increase the water temperature, they will die. Clear? So by such process, we also disturb the composition of the water. Okay, so you see, so the very some part of the water pollution and what is their causes. Clear? So student, so better for you just reduce such type of process. If we use the insecticide or pesticide, so first you see the weather. If you see any rainy weather, then don't use the such type of chemicals. Use the organic chemicals. Organic means the things who decompose by the microorganisms. Clear student? So these are some point of the water pollution. Okay. So student, nowadays what we use in the water? Nowadays we use the filter water. Why? Due to our activities. Because we already disturb the composition of the ponds, river, lakes, rivers. But last one is the our water who occurs inside the earth. But you see student, nowadays if you take water from underground surface, means about the 100 feet or 80 feet, will not get the fresh water. Why? If you take such water and boil it, see, after cooling, you see a white material, it deposits on the container. Why? Because this is the waste material. By our activities, such chemicals also enter inside the underground water. That's why student, if we take directly water from the underground surface, then we also suffer by many type of diseases. That's why we use the filter water. Stop the such type of process. Clear? So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.